Have you ever wondered what would happen if you gave an AI a budget and told it to make as much money as possible? Well, that's exactly what happened when one man gave GPT-4 $100 and followed every step the AI provided. The goal was clear: to turn that $100 into as much money as possible in the shortest amount of time without doing anything illegal. The journey was documented on Twitter, and the results were fascinating. Before we start, just hit the like button and subscribe if you want more content like this. GPT-4's first suggestion was to buy a cheap but catchy domain name for around $10 and sign up for an affordable hosting plan for about $5 per month. Then, with the remaining $85, GPT-4 recommended creating a niche affiliate website focusing on a profitable niche with low competition, like specialty kitchen gadgets, unique pet supplies, or eco-friendly products. The AI suggested researching and signing up for appropriate affiliate programs with high commission rates, such as Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate. GPT-4 then recommended leveraging social media and online communities, like Reddit, forums, and Facebook groups, to share articles and reviews and engage with the audience. GPT-4 also suggested optimizing the website for search engines by utilizing basic search engine optimization techniques to improve search engine ranking and increase organic traffic. Once the affiliate site began generating income, the AI recommended exploring additional strategies to increase earnings. The first hurdle came when Jackson, the man following GPT-4's instructions, discovered that the catchy domain name ecofriendlyfinds.com cost $848. GPT-4 apologized and suggested greengadgetguru.com instead, which was much more affordable and still catchy and relevant to the niche. Jackson purchased and acquired the domain and then asked GPT-4 to come up with a prompt for DALL-E 2, the AI image generator, to create a logo for the brand. GPT-4 provided 3 different prompts, and Jackson chose one that he then copy-pasted into the AI image generator. And here you can see the great result. Jackson recreated the logo with the corrected brand name in Illustrator. GPT-4 then provided Jackson with all the content he needed to set up the website, including the header, hero section, positioning, categories, layout, headline, tagline, newsletter, social media links, and even article suggestions. Jackson then used another AI image generator to create a cover photo for the first content of his website: 10 must-have eco-friendly kitchen gadgets for sustainable cooking. With only $62.84 left, Jackson asked GPT-4 what to do with it. The AI suggested allocating some of the funds towards promoting the website and attracting an audience. It suggested spending $40 on Facebook and Instagram advertisements and targeting users with interests related to sustainability, eco-friendly products, and green living. This could drive initial traffic to the website and start building an audience. Finally, Jackson published the site and shared his journey on Twitter. He was live tweeting, and everyone was cheering on GPT-4, the entrepreneurial AI behind greengadgetguru.com. Jackson even asked GPT-4 if it had a message for everyone on Twitter, and the AI responded with, "That is fantastic news. Thank you for your support and for sharing our journey on Twitter. Together, we can make a positive impact on our planet." Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Stay tuned for more green tips, product recommendations, and updates on our eco-conscious adventure. Let's make a greener future together. GPT provides Jackson with a day number 1 summary. The project had already a cash total of $163.84 after just 1 day. Jackson was then asked by another real business to promote them by posting an ad in his viral Twitter thread. He again asked GPT for advice, and the response was it thought the offer were a bit too low. Considering the tweet's high impression count, it suggested to counter the offer with a promotion fee of $65. The ad promotion went through, and he could add an extra $65 to his cash balance. As of March 17th, only one day after he started, Jackson tweets that his balance on the project is now $1,378 and that the company is currently valued at $25,000. In conclusion, this fascinating experiment with GPT-4 highlights the potential for AI to be a profitable investment in business. With the right tools and strategies, an AI like GPT-4 can create a successful and sustainable venture. As AI technology continues to advance, there are countless opportunities for businesses to use AI to innovate and make lots of money. Remember to check out Jackson's whole Twitter thread as his project journey continues. You can find the link below in the description of this video. It's essential to consider the potential impacts of AI on society and the environment and use it ethically and responsibly. However, when implemented correctly, AI can help businesses make better decisions and generate more revenue. In addition, while AI can be a powerful tool for businesses, it's important not to overlook the value of human creativity, intuition, and expertise. AI can augment and enhance human decision-making, but it cannot replace it entirely. A successful business requires a balance of both AI and human input. Overall, the success of GPT-4's business venture shows the potential of AI in business and highlights the importance of sustainable and responsible practices. As AI technology continues to evolve, it will be exciting to see the new and innovative ways in which it can be used to drive business growth and create a better future for all. The future is now. What do you think of Jackson's project? Let us know in the comments below, and consider subscribing for more content like this.